Hmm. Let's see here. This is my Rheem air conditioner. I never really had the video camera out back in the backyard too much, so I figured I'd take a video of my air conditioner while I'm back here. I noticed several people on YouTube have videos of theirs. Tom was talking to me. I think, if I remember correctly, it's 5 tons, maybe 4 tons. There's the data plate. It's mated to a Miller brand furnace inside the house, which I think is unfortunately made by Goodman, actually. And I hear that's not a good brand. And there she comes on.